Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm going to be reviewing the gear pouch by WaterField Designs. I do want to mention that WaterField Designs did send me this gear pouch to check out, but everything that I say in this video are my own thoughts and opinions, and big shout out to them for making this video possible. This is a very high quality pouch that will last a very long time. This pouch comes in small, medium, and large, and in brown, navy, and black. The brown and navy colors are made of waxed canvas, and the black one is made of ballistic nylon. The one I have here is the medium size in navy. I'll put a link in the description to their website if you're interested. When I first picked up the pouch, I immediately noticed how high quality it was. The navy one is made out of waxed canvas and it just feels great. It also feels really durable and it can definitely take a beating. The YKK zippers feel super solid, and so is the stitching on the inside and outside of the pouch. This thing is definitely built to last forever. There are two main pouches. The one on the front is a good size and can be used to put a large phone inside. When the pouch is empty, I'm actually able to put the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and iPhone 8 Plus inside the smaller zipper compartment at the same time with no problem. The interior is an orange/brown color, which makes it so that you can easily find your things. It's not an overly bright color too, which is easy on the eyes. When you open the larger main zipper, you see the same kind of interior. The interior feels very strong and durable. There are 4 interior pouches that are the same size to organize your things. You can use those pouches to store things like extra batteries, cables, your wallet, power bricks, and more. A feature that I find really cool is the locking zippers. The zippers are YKK zippers, and when you partially open the pouch and fold down the zipper tab, the zipper will lock into place and won't move even though you try to open the pouch. When you flip up the pull tab, the zipper can be moved when you try to open the pouch, as you can see. This is very useful and it's like an extra layer of security. I like to use my gear pouch to store my charging items. In the first pocket, I like to store 2 charging bricks. I have a Samsung one that came with my Galaxy Note 8 and one from Bestech that has 2 USB ports. In the other 3 pouches, I just store charging cables. I have a lightning cable that's covered in an Elo wrap, a USB-C charging cable that came with my Note 8, and a Nomad 1.5 meter 3-in-1 cable that has micro USB, lightning, and USB-C. It's my absolute favorite cable and I highly recommend it. Last but not least, I carry a 15,000 mAh backup battery from Heloy Deo. It has a built-in AC plug and USB-C cable, which is really convenient. It goes right in the middle of everything. That's what I have in my gear pouch, and I love it because you can just throw the pouch in your bag and everything will be organized. You can also take out the gear pouch very easily and throw it in another bag if you use multiple bags. Overall, the gear pouch by WaterField Designs is the perfect organization pouch in my opinion. It's built very well, so it'll last a very long time and it will definitely organize your stuff. I like to throw my gear pouch in a backpack with a lack of organization pockets to keep my things organized. I highly recommend this pouch, and as always, I'll put a link in the description to where you can purchase the gear pouch if you're interested. That was my video review of the WaterField Designs gear pouch. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!